If you're someone that is suffering from dry hair, weak hair, dull hair, dandruff, then this video is for you. First, you're going to need some freshly washed aloe vera, which helps to treat dandruff and itchy scalp. Then you're going to need some avocado, which helps to prevent hair breakages. It also helps to smoothen your hair, add shine. It also contains a lot of antibacterial and antifungal properties. Then you're going to add some olive oil. You do not need to use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once you're done adding it, you're going to cover and blend. You're going to blend it as smooth as you can. So now that I'm done blending, I'm going to be transferring it into my pan. I'm going to be adding more oil because I actually need more oil in this. So I'm going to be adding more oil to the blender to rinse off the remaining and also add to the pan. Then you're going to fry it under low heat. So you're going to keep stirring from time to time. As of now, it's going to look very thick and all put together, but with time it will start to separate. As you can see, it's beginning to separate. That's because the water in it is beginning to dry off. So you're going to keep stirring until it has fully separated, just like this. At this point, you can check to see if you have just oil or there's water, and once it's ready, just turn it off and bring it down so you don't burn off all the good stuff in it. So now that it's ready, I'm just going to sieve it. Just sieve it however you like. At this point, you can use it just the way it is, but as always, I like to add other essential oils in this. So all these essential oils are optional. You do not have to use every single one of them. I'm also going to be using this oil to make my avocado and aloe vera butter. So I'm going to be posting this very soon. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe so you know when the video is out. Like I said, all these essential oils are optional. Once you're ready, you're just going to transfer it into your storage container. Then I'll be adding my last product, which is my rosemary. So I like to add my rosemary into the finished oil so it will keep infusing while I use my oil. So rosemary helps to boost blood circulation to the scalp, which promotes hair growth. It also helps to treat dandruff and itchy scalp. So like I said, once you're done adding all your product, transfer it into your container, add your rosemary, and everything is ready. Just like I told you, I'm going to be making my avocado and aloe vera butter, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys, please do not forget to stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.